Every man before was a man defeated, wore his scars where the truth was seated. Every road he walked was torn and frayed, chasing promises that always fade. Every man before was a life of betrayal. Trust turned dust when the heart grew frail. Names in the dark that I couldn't read, lessons written in the things I bleed. I carry the weight of the past I'd known. Every broken vow felt like stone. When the night was louder than my own breath, I was staring down the fear of what comes next. Every man before was a record of failure, pages torn by time and danger. I was on my knees when the world wouldn't bend, and the Lord heard my plead in the bitter end. I try to be strong and borrow grace, build my faith on yesterday's praise. But the mirror spoke what I couldn't hide, a restless soul with nowhere to run and hide. Every man before left a shadow trace of wars inside and a losing race. I felt their ghosts in the things I do, afraid their truth would become mine too. Every man before was a record of failure, marked by loss and silent prayers. I was on my knees, my hands in the dust, when the Lord heard my plead, when I learned to trust. Maybe I'm more than the sum of my past, more than the chains I thought would last. Grace fell soft, not earned, not planned, pulled me up when I couldn't stand. Oh yeah. Every man before showed me what breaks, but not the strength that redemption makes. I was on my knees, now I rise to stand, 'cause the Lord heard my plea and rewrote the man.